Me and my cousin Cole are gonna like talk about random things today because we're feeling really random, I guess. So, you know how the weather, they're like supposed to be rainy in one weather forecast and then it's supposed to be sunny in another?
Yeah.
Well, you can never trust them.
Drugs.
Yeah. Drugs are bad.
Yes, they are. Bad
Pickles.
to the people who don't do them.
No, pickles.
Pickles?
Psha.
Only girls need pickles.
The guys sometimes need them too.
Gay guys.
Gay guys are awesome.
Gay guys scare me.
Whatever.
Why are we having conversations like this?
We're being random.
We're talking about homosexual people.
But homosexual people rock. Okay,
How
do
do
not
they
diss
rock?
on them. Don't diss on them. Okay, so no, my friend Ashton, he says that he's albino African American. Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Yeah.
I'm an albino white person.
No, really. Okay,
Really?
That was my line on the first take.
So.
And I feel like partying.
No, that is not even your line. That's get back there. No, that is not. You don't go there. That's just not supposed to happen right there. Yeah, we're totally, yeah. This is what I deal with. Help me. Seriously, I deal with this every day. After school, every single day.
Yep.
God, help
She's
me.
the one who spit on my shirt, though, and made me change.
Not my fault. I was drinking vitamin water, okay? Yeah, drinking vitamin water. Yeah, it's healthy for you. Just drink it.
My arm.
We're going to talk about political things because, you know, the big election's coming up, which nobody even votes. So how do they get all these votes anyway?
This is my political message.
No, because nobody even... Don't go in trouble. Nobody even votes, so it's like, why hold the elections? And how do these people win? Because there are very few people that actually vote.
Well, you draw names out of a hat. Like, I heard this guy got the village idiot position where he waves his penis at traffic on Thursday.
Okay, don't go there. But no, I mean, honestly, seriously, nobody votes, so...
I'll tell you how. They all party.
No, because I'm just going to, like, stop this thing right now before this goes any further. Wow, okay, I'm so gone. See you guys later.